Sunday, we've been able to arrest 6 accused so far. The names of the accused are Mohammad Kasi, Syed Nadeem, Asifullah Khan, Rihan, Nihan, and Abdul Afsan. All these people have been arrested, of which A1 and A2 have already been produced. A3, A4, A5, A6 were just arrested. This press briefing is to give a statement that all 6 have been arrested. Of these 6 persons, 4 were directly involved in the assault and 2 have been involved in conspiracy and support for the murder. And apart from this, there may be other accused persons also who we are tracking, and if necessary, we'll be making more arrests very shortly.
Sir, what about these 6 accused? Any background, sir, if you can give?
Of the 6 accused, so far we have checked backgrounds of 4 persons. Remaining 2 persons are also in progress. These 4 persons had criminal cases against them. These cases were pertaining to rioting and assault.
In Shivamogga State?
In Shivamogga City.
So, A1 and A2, both the accused, what are the antecedents? How many cases have been registered?
So, Mohammad Kasif and Syed Nadeem both have criminal cases against them. We are checking exactly as to how many cases are there. But so far we have noticed that Kasif had around 7 cases and Nadeem had about 2 cases. And other 4 persons we've just arrested them, of which we know that they had cases previously, and other 2 we are verifying.
Are they affiliated to any organization, sir? Are they affiliated with any organization?
We are verifying all the facts. We are checking all their records. We are checking their movements in the last 1 week and 2 weeks. We are checking how they have lived in the last 6 months. If there is any such link established, then we will be bringing that into our investigation.
And what about the motive? What about the motive of the murder, sir?
Motive also, we are separately interrogating each and every accused. As and when we come across firm reasons for the incident, we'll be making it part of our investigation and giving it. Nothing has come to our notice, but we are verifying based on these information that we are getting. We are getting a lot of information. We are trying to check the veracity of all this information before making anything part of our investigation.
And has there been, any cases booked for provocative statements, sir? Provocative statements? Any cases booked on this?
With regard to?
No, any provocative statements, any cases booked on the basis of provocative statements made by quite a few leaders? Sir?
No such cases.
No such cases.
Only cases registered are related to writing and arson. Interviewing all the persons who were there at the spot, who may have knowledge of the offence that was committed, CCTV footages including. So we are investigating in all angles.
So do you see a conspiracy in this angle?
So we will be...
Sir, look towards camera, sir.
When we say conspiracy, it's 120 weeks. So if there is any such conspiracy, it will be made a part of it. These were just made of 4 persons, so more interrogation has to happen. And the remaining 2 persons who were given to custody, we have to seek their police custody, and then investigation will continue.
So did the victim have any cases against him, sir?
Victim had 2 cases from the year 16 and 17 of writing and hurting villages.
Okay.